am sad. The sun is hot. The mat is red. I am in a big bed. I fed the pet hen. I met 10 fat men. Sit on the red mat. Let us sit in the bus. Can I get a red pen? Ted put mud on his leg. The fat man cut his leg. The red hen is in the hut. Ned has got 10 fat hens. Ted has a red pen in his bag. The sad man can sob in his bed. 10 big fat men got on the red bus.